Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hi, folks. How are you doing? What's going on? We are going to get started doing... We're going to do a Halloween theme. Ah, the Halloweens. Alright, so we're going to take off our glasses and get attacked by the kitty cat because she... Speaking of cat, we have a cat in the midst. Apparently, this is what's happening now. So, yeah, we're just gonna paint with a cat in our lap. Hello, Jeremy. Welcome. I was going to attempt to paint, but yeah. Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. We're not painting the cat for Halloween. This is not how this works. You were cute. I get it. But you cannot be painted. We get in trouble for painting the cat for Halloween. Although, let me say that the paint that we are in fact about to be using is all of mehron, so it is vegan, it is not tested on animals, it is cruelty friendly. Hey! Welcome in, everybody. We're gonna try to paint. We have a helper. Sweetie, you're helping, aren't you? Alright. Excuse me. Move that tail out of my face. You are adorable. You're killing me right now. Either sit down. How about lie down? There you go. Good girl. Alright. Now I have the ability. We can do this. Alright, we are about We're going to paint. Let's paint. Alright, we're gonna do a pumpkin theme. Figured, let's get spoopy with it. We're gonna do it. Do it upright. You're looking a little bit orange there. It's fine, it's fine. We're going for the theme orange. This is how we do it. We'll just go out into the neck. That's fine. That's fine. Are you helping? She's like, I like the smell of the paint, but oh, the sound of the water is scary. She ran away. It's fine. Hey, now we're here. How are y'all doing? Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. We're just putting some paint on. Gonna make ourselves look all spoopy today. Gonna scare the neighbors. Figured, you know. Gotta scare the neighbors. It's fun. It's fun. You know, if you're not having fun, don't do it. And this is just a quick, easy, I'm bored, let's do this thing. I'm not bored. Never bored. It's never a dull moment around here. I forgot to hit record. Hey! I love when I do that. It's alright. It's all good. We do the thing. How y'all doing? What's happening? Where you coming in from? Hope you're having a good day. Let me ask all the questions all at once so that you're not able to answer any of them. Hello, hello! Oh my goodness. The voice you're hearing in the background is in fact my partner. Do not pay attention to the noise behind the curtain. It is not there. It is just your imagination. That's the kitty cat. That is not the cat. That is the cat. The cat is not making the noises. You are. Her voice changed. This is what... Oh my god, I'm looking a little orange. It's fine. It's fine. We got this. Get underneath the chin. Can't forget underneath the chin. It's gonna look a little blank if you're not going under the chin. And yes, again, we are using the Mehron Paradise. So we're going all vegan today. I like it. It's a good base. It goes on, obviously it goes on really fast. Hey, I missed a spot. I'll look at the camera now instead of my mirror. How y'all doing? It's so great to see you. Welcome in, welcome in. It's always nice to look. I think I may have caught a little bit of the something going around. Look, my skin is orange. It's so orange. What is happening? All right, we need another paintbrush. This is looking a little. It's fine. It's fine. Don't tell any. Don't look. Don't look. All right, we're gonna grab the black. We're gonna go straight in here with some black. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's make this look spooky. All right. Here we go. All right, we're gonna go this way so you guys can see it. We're gonna go a little messy with this. It doesn't matter. Oh, I have comments. How did that happen? Okay, this is weird. Ah! Okay, I'm sorry, I'm learning all the things. Yeah. Ooh. I like it. There we go. And we'll hide those hooded eyes. We'll hide. We'll just hide it all. Oh, it's looking creepy. I like it when it looks creepy. And look, I didn't have to use blood. Ha! What a concept. You can make something look creepy without using a whole lot of blood. Oh, it needs some more lines right up through here. Oh yeah. There we go. It's a oh my god, it's a goth pumpkin. What is happening here? I'll get all something. The greatest part about this is you can put this right on your lips. It doesn't matter. It's safe. I've gotten it in my eyes before. It makes things a little cloudy, but they don't sting. Look at me jumping around. This is the worst. Don't follow me. I jump around. It's the ADHD, I swear. But yeah, so hey. So if you're just joining us, we are doing, well, it's looking like a goth pumpkin here. Let's get that kind of pumpkin-y nose thing going on here. We're gonna make it pretty big to hide the fact that we kind of lost some of our makeup on there a little bit. That's fine. We'll make this mouth a little bit bigger. Yeah, there we go. That's the ticket. Haha! Huzzah! We got this. There we go. This is a scary pumpkin. It's a spooky pumpkin. Bear with me. Normally I have a plan. I was just like, ooh, let's do this thing. Oh, we can even add some teeth to our pumpkin. All right, let's finish this eyeball over here. Make sure to get right up against the line. There we go. There we are. Welcome in, well, everybody. It's so great to see everybody. Seriously, it's always wonderful to see y'all. I hope you're doing well. Well, I hope this week has not been too cruel to you. Let me know if there's any questions I can answer for you as I'm doing this. There we go. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I managed to get some right in my eye, and now I'm unable to see much out of that eye. That's okay. Oh, I like this. Oh, thank you, Rosa, for the gift. Oh, that's so sweet of you. I appreciate that. You guys, I know you guys don't have to do that, and when you do, it's really, really sweet. Thank you. So how you guys doing? Welcome in, welcome in. There we go. Get over here. Look at that. That took, what, 5-10 minutes? And, you know, now you can go back in. Since I have these super, super hooded eyes, I like to go back in with a little bit of setting powder. This is also mehron. Everything I have is mehron. It's just been how that's just how it is sometimes. But I'm gonna go back with some setting powder right up here, so then it doesn't pull it. Since my eyes are so hooded, it's not going to pull the makeup off the lid, and it'll set it, and it'll give it a great little spot to. Also, it'll deepen that black. I might put a little eyeliner on the lash line. But it'll deepen that black down a little bit more. And if you're happening to be a little sweaty, this will also help to make it less sweaty. There you go. Good stuff. Good stuff to know. There. Oh, let's give it a little shading now. You know, might as well have some shading up in the... Because you can have the dark lines, but, you know, sometimes you just need a little shading around the thing. Yeah, there we go. There. He. Ah. Oh. I love making faces with these things. Oh my gosh. What's happening? Oh my gosh. Yeah, gotta have fun sometime. If you're not having fun, why are you doing this? Right? Right. So you gotta have fun. I also noticed that my nose was not that dark, so we're gonna darken that back up. That's fantastic. Oh my gosh. And if I take my hair down, because my hair is so multicolored already. So if we take the hair down, you get the full effect. Ah! I think I might scare my neighbors. I think I might. I can adore you guys. Thank you so much for letting me share this time with you. You guys have been fantastic, and yeah. So now on to the making the little TikToks that you guys love. Thank you for all the support. I appreciate you, and I hope to be doing more of these in the coming days, because now we're partnered with Own Your Destiny, so that's pretty exciting. So, all right, let's figure out how to turn this thing off. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon.